Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view your stats in Fish Roblox. So if you ever wonder exactly how many fish you've caught or what's your highest level is, keeping track of your player stats is the best way to see how close you are to becoming a master angler. So in here, I'm going to show you the exact buttons to click and the hidden menus where you can find your catch history. So what you need to do to see or to view your stats, you can just click on the gear icon at the top right here. And if you scroll down on the settings, there will be your stats option. So in here, you'll see how many percent is your bonus luck, your level of luck, and also the shiny and mutation chance and luck, and how many players you played the game, monthly fish, and also monthly levels. So if you want to improve more, you can see the progress from the previous one, the previous stats in here. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the things.